Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, I have Sports, back with another video, and today we have this little guy right here. Oh, wait. This package. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, I have opened this, just to let you guys know, I've opened it already, just to be sure that everything was in there, so here it is. Alright, so let's get into it. First thing, right there. I'm gonna make you guys wait. Now this thing does not just come like this. I already opened that. This is a phone tripod mount. If you've watched my vlog, my first vlog episode, I'll leave a link down to that in the description below, so be sure to check that video out. And then if you've checked that out already, you probably know what this is. But here's the mount. Okay, next thing, we have a remote shuffler. And, this is really awesome. That's just, this right here, and this remote shuffler is compatible with Android 4.22 OS or newer, as you can see right there, or iOS 6.0 or newer. Well, so I guess that means, oh wait, never mind. And this is Bluetooth, so let's just get that out of the way. I'll unbox this right quick. All there is, just pull this part back. There's this little tab. Let me get that out of the way. So, when you open it, the remote shuffler is black. It's really nice. And then the battery I already put in. I put the battery in because it took me about 5 minutes to put the battery in. It's hard. And I have this little belt thing. An Indianapolis 500. I bought this. I have this, so I'm going to put this right here. This little latch on the remote shuffler. There we go. Nice. So, the mount. Now let's get into the actual thing you guys probably watched this video for. Let's go. Open it. Cool. Here. So. Okay, there's something else. Okay, here's like the little cleaning cloth that comes with it. The link for this tripod will be down in the description below. The link will be down in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. The carrying case, it's waterproof. It says Aquavar, I believe. Aquavar. So let's get into it. So yep, here we go. Really nice. Okay, so here's the tripod. Bam, bam. It has these leg locks, which are really nice. They're good, and here it is. And this part, wait, you guys can't see this. This part just screws into the top, through the bottom like that, and you just gotta screw it in. Now this tripod will work with basically any camera. I have a point and shoot too, and it worked with it fine. Just nothing was wrong with it. It worked great. It's loose. It's supposed to be loose. So, and yeah, it's a tripod. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So, peace out. See you in the next video. Bye.